Namaskar. Oral hygiene plays an important role in our body's general health because when we keep our mouth clean, it will automatically keep whole digestive canal healthy. There is a plaque formation in the teeth which contributes to an overall declining oral hygiene. Today, I am going to give you the best home solution for this problem. There are two best home remedies advised to remove plaque. Number one, use of baking soda. In a small bowl, mix an equal amount of baking soda and water. Mix it and prepare the paste. Now, dip your toothbrush in this mixture and brush in circle covering each tooth well. Brush your teeth for about 1 minute and then rinse them off with fresh water. You can use this treatment every alternate day. Or if you have a habit to brush twice a day, then one time you can use baking soda instead of toothpaste. Baking soda also protects teeth from demineralization, that is a calcium removal process from enamel. It also has antimicrobial property and so prevents tooth decay. Second, oil pulling. One more home remedy which can be used is oil pulling. Any edible oil could be used, but most common oil could be coconut oil. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in the mouth. Swish the oil around the mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. The volume increases in the mouth as saliva mixes with the oil. Spit the oil out in a trash can. Do not spit out the oil in the sink because it may clog the pipes. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property which will help in removal of plaque formation and maintain the overall dental hygiene. Oil pulling should be done every day. You have to practice it at least 3 times a week. This should be done for a month and after that you should practice every 6 months. People always look forward to a bright and confident smile. With proper dental hygiene, you can very easily achieve it. Keep practicing these tips and stay healthy. Namaskar.